Wake up, people. We're over here today in Bridgewater. We're checking in with one of our clients, Matt. He's had his solar installed for over a year. Let's see what he says.
You didn't hit the lottery or anything. How much did this cost you to get done?
Out of pocket for the solar, I put $0 down. I talked with Shawn, spoke with Shawn, and what we did is, ran my credit, what my options were, what I could do, what I couldn't do, but preferably I chose the no money down. I needed a new roof as well, so that just made more sense for me, and yeah, did everything with $0 money out of pocket.
Start to finish, how long was the process, and did everything add up like we talked about?
So while speaking with Shawn, I asked how long it was going to take, start to finish. As anybody knows, they don't want to be sitting there while the house is, getting worked on. So asked a simple question. He was well straightforward. It took 6 months, start to finish. Everything went smooth. He called in probably at least once a week to see how everything was going. If I had any questions, exactly how long it took, with the permit, how long that was going to take, with the guys from the roof. Everyone from the company was extremely supportive, as well as getting back to my calls and whatever questions I had for them. So from start to finish, exactly 6 months, no later, and it went smooth.
In your words, what was your experience?
My experience with the whole solar was good. I think I did the right choice when I went with Shawn. I didn't want the runaround, I didn't want no hidden fees. He explained everything from what I get back with the tax incentive at that time, what everything was going to cost with the roof plus the panels, and he had no problems with me adding panels if I wanted to, especially for the project manager that drew up the plans for me as well. So everything went smooth and no complaints.
How could we get to a great experience for you?
Really no complaints. I tell everyone I speak to that I had to say it had to be the most smoothest transaction from start to finish, and like I said, I added a roof, so that was another extra exterior contractor that I had to deal with that went flawlessly, smoothly, came when they were supposed to come, cleaned up, my yard was all cleaned, no nails found, and I was happy.